So what does hair loss and multiple sclerosis have in common? It's actually not very commonly linked. Not to say that it can't happen if you have MS, if multiple sclerosis, that you would have hair loss. But we have, being an acupuncture neurology specialist, we treat a lot of neurological conditions. MS, multiple sclerosis, is one of the specialties that we have, and we are very successful. It's actually one thing we have high success rates with. Now, here's the thing. We have this multiple sclerosis patient, and she is starting to losing her hair. And so, as you can imagine, for you females out there, losing your hair, it's quite detrimental, for women, right? And so here's a couple of things that I suggested for her to do. Besides acupuncture, we're doing acupuncture, we're doing Chinese herbal medicine, and it's helping her regrow her hair. But here's two things that I advise her to do that she can do at home. So one thing is to get an aloe vera plant. Aloe vera plant. So it has to be the plant. It cannot be, these lotions, creams, gels made of aloe vera. It has to be the aloe vera plant. And so aloe vera plants, you can find them anywhere. You can go to Lowe's, H-E-B, Walmart, Home Depot, anywhere in the garden centers, and they are hardy. They can grow in almost any climate except for when it freezes. Because when it freezes, they die. Excuse me. So get an aloe vera plant. I told her to get an aloe vera plant, let it grow, okay? And when the leaves get this big, then just to cut the leaves, and then stick it like in a Ziploc bag and put it in the refrigerator. And then every night, I want her to grab one of these leaves, okay, slit it open with a knife, and then get that gel, that gooey white gel within the aloe vera plant, and just rub it on her scalp. Just really dig it into her scalp. And do it like a leave-in conditioner. Leave it in for about 30 minutes, and then you can go and wash it off, okay? And so what's the purpose of that? Well, most people know aloe vera for burns, right? When you have a burn, you put some aloe vera on it, and it actually helps, heal the burn faster. What is it actually doing? It's actually helping you regenerate your skin, and so regenerate your cells. So it can also help nourish and regenerate your hair follicles. And so that's one of the reasons why I told her to get some aloe vera plant and just put in that gel into her head, right? Second thing I told her to do is to, increase collagen, right? We want to increase collagen for our skin and also our hair. And so what collagen, there's different types of collagen. There's plant-based, fruit-based collagen, there's animal-based collagen. Well, there's something that you can do on a daily basis on your dietary. You can drink bone broth. So just get some bone broth. There's collagen in there. There's animal-based collagen, still great collagen. And to drink that every night, just like a cup of soup or just like a beverage, right? I think there's a restaurant here in Austin that actually they serve bone broth in just like a cup of tea, right? I think it's called Picnic. Haven't been there in a while, but Picnic the restaurant's called Picnic, and they have bone broth. Herb-based bone broth. It is really good. You could just drink it like a cup of tea almost. So I had her do those two things to help her regenerate her skin and also her hair follicles. And it's been over 2 weeks. So first, whenever her hair, she would wash her hair or comb her hair, she would have chunks of hair come out. And then now, after about 2 weeks of our regimen, the hair is just a few strands. She's not losing it as fast. And so our next goal is to help regenerate it faster, help stimulate the hair follicles to grow faster, and so that she can get her full set of hair again like she used to have. So again, it's not necessarily related to her multiple sclerosis, but I thought it would be very interesting for me to share. For those of y'all who might have some hair loss and you want to know what you can do at home, these are the things that you can do at home. Home remedies, home treatments is just as important as the treatments that patients have when they come to achieve integrative health. And so let me know if that was beneficial, and comment, like, share this post. And when you think of acupuncture, you want to think of achieve integrative health. So when you think of acupuncture, you think of Achieve Integrative Health, the #1 acupuncture clinic in Austin. All right, guys, this is Jimmy Yen from Achieve Integrative Health, your neurology acupuncture specialist, your TCM neurology specialist, and always remember, everything in life is achievable, but it's up to you to make it happen.